Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert calendar in Google Sheets. So if you would like to do it, first we need to type here a name for the field. So I will type here maybe calendar and here maybe date. So I will try to insert here a calendar. So I click on this cell and after that I need to go to data, I need to go to data validation, and here I need to click on this one button, add rule. Now on criteria settings, I need to change it from drop down to is validate. It is very important to set this option. And now we need to click on down button to insert this validation rule. How you see, it has been successfully created and inserted in B2 cell. So now if you will click on this cell, double time, you will be able to select the date which you want to insert. So for example, I select this one, date, and how you see, it has been successfully inserted in this cell. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.